The following is a quick video walkthrough of the Building Excel worksheet to solve problem 4-13. I'm not going to spend much time talking about how to solve it other than focusing more on how to build the worksheet. First, we need to calculate our ending work in process. That's simply going to be our beginning work in process plus started into production. So we've got 200,000 available. We transferred out, we're told 160. So we're going to have an ending work in process of 40,000 units. Let's go ahead and look at the quantity schedule. Work in process, March 1st. Link that to our beginning work in process cell up top. Started into production. Link that to our 180 right there. Total pounds available or total units, 180 plus 20. We've got 200,000. Transferred to mixing. We've got that information above. We were told that we transferred out 160,000 units. And ending work in process, we calculated that right up there. We've got 40. Okay, anything that was fully transferred out or is fully complete with respect to both direct materials and conversion costs, so we can just link that to our 160. Now in terms of ending work in process, we need to do our units, which is this case 40,000, times the percentage of completion for direct materials. Ending work in process, 100% complete, 40,000 units. With respect to conversion cost, 40,000 times our 25% complete. Total equivalent units we need to calculate here. That's going to be our 40 plus our 160. Total units, there's our 200. For materials, 200. For conversion cost, 170. Cost to account for. Our material cost. Link that to the given information above. Our material cost right there, 25,200. And I can copy that right on over. Our cost added, 334,800. And again, I can just copy that right across. Total cost, 25 plus 24. Cost added, 334 plus the 238. Now my total cost, I can simply sum my column. There's my sum, and I can copy that across. Equivalent units, we've just calculated those above. We had 200,000 equivalent units for direct materials, and I can copy that to the right. We had 170 for conversion cost. Cost per unit, take my cost of 360, divide it by equivalent units, and I get a cost per unit of 180. I can copy that across. In terms of total cost per unit, the 155 plus the 180. All right, let's do our cost reconciliation. We need to first pick up the units. 160 were transferred out, and that's going to be the case for both materials and conversion costs because they were fully completed. I'll just drag that on across for total. Just pick those up. There we go. Cost per equivalent unit. Straight from above, we've got the 180 for direct materials. For conversion cost, 155, and in total, 335. Cost of units transferred out, 180 times my 160, and I can copy that across. Ending work in process. Notice I don't have a total because we've got different stages of completion. Ending work in process with respect to direct materials, we had 40,000 units. With respect to conversion, we had 10,000 units. Our cost per equivalent unit, direct materials, linked to the 180, linked to the 155 for conversion. Now I can multiply cost per unit times units. I can drag that across, and finally add those two together to get my total. And really, as a check, I probably should have one more cell here. I should just add my 87.5 plus my 536. I get 623,500, and hopefully that ties in with, I don't have a schedule up here, but I should tie that in with the sum of my total cost from above, $623,500, and that's how I know I've accounted for all of my costs.